All right, all eyes are on Hurricane Irma. It was a Category 5 at the 2 o'clock advisory. It is now a Category 4, but winds still 155 miles per hour, so you need winds of 157 to be considered a Category 5 hurricane. So it's still very strong and pretty much borderline. Here's a look at the latest. It's moving off to the west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. It's 245 miles south-southeast of Miami, Florida. That track will continue generally to the west-northwest, and then it is still expected to take that northerly turn. And that's what we've been watching for. When is it going to turn? But you'll notice here, it is still expected to stay a Category 4 as we push into Sunday morning and even Sunday afternoon, crossing over the Florida Keys. And then by the time it approaches land, or actually move over the peninsula of Florida, it will weaken to a Category 3. And that's by early Monday morning, but it can still go anywhere within that cone of uncertainty. And then as we push into, say, Tuesday, Wednesday time frame, it becomes a tropical storm heading towards Atlanta. And then Wednesday and Thursday, pretty much post-tropical by that point, so just a typical area of low pressure, and we're going to deal with some of the rain from that system. But again, we're not expecting tropical storm force winds or anything of that nature. And speaking of tropical storm force winds, these are the probability forecast for 39-mile-per-hour winds or higher. And you'll notice here that 10% chance it's in North Carolina. So we're not going to deal with tropical storm force winds for that matter. Also, our rain forecast, the bulk of the rain will stay to our south and out to our west. We're expecting anywhere from 1/2 of an inch up to an inch is possible. You'll notice the blue shading here closer to home. Some spots a little bit heavier down to our south and west. So here's what we can expect as we go into mainly late Monday and into Tuesday. Just a few showers and or storms. It will be breezy through the weekend, also into Tuesday, with winds picking up and gusting up to 35 miles per hour. And then we'll watch for minor tidal flooding Sunday and possibly picking up to moderate flooding by Tuesday.